your girl Nicole, also known as Coach Glamour. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Seint makeup. I am going to show you how to apply it our hack way, minimizing the amount of layers you have, letting the skin shine through. I'm going to show you our cheetah hack way that you can apply this in 5 minutes or less. Okay, you might just get so good you can beat it down in less than 5 minutes. And then I'm going to show you little tips and tricks you can use to enhance your makeup quickly, efficiently, for fuller coverage, and just show you the versatility of these products. So here we go. Hey guys, okay, so right now I'm just prepping my skin. You want to make sure with no matter what makeup you're putting on your face that you prep your skin and hydrate really well. I notice my nose is like really red. Today it's matching my shirt, but it's okay. We're gonna totally fix that, all right? So let's get this started. I'm gonna move fast and talk over the details. So the first thing I'm gonna do is contour my face. And remember, we don't want layers, okay? So you lay your contour down first, all right? And I like to do a soft contour and just lightly blend it on the hollows of my cheeks, really lightly in an upward motion. You don't want to go down because you're going to drag your face down. I also like to put it in my hairline where the sun would naturally hit me, and under my jawline as well. Now I'm going to take the lighter highlight colors and put them on the part of my face where I like a little highlight, and it gives an instant contrast to the contour. This way we're not putting lots of layers on and the skin is going to shine through. I'm going to place some on my T-zone, also cover my nose, and anywhere that I didn't contour. All right, and I'm not putting under my eye because I'm going to put a separate color there for brightening. And now I'm going to take that brightening shade and put it underneath my eye with my finger. This blends so easily. I love how fast and efficient it works. I'm also going to highlight my nose slightly because, again, I get red there, and just blends it out with the brush. Now I can go and perfect my contour a little bit. And the next thing I'm going to do is add a blush. And I love these blushes. They're so blendable. They look like skin, and that's really important to me. I want my cheeks to look glowy and dewy and like skin. And this is one of the most important parts. Everybody needs a beauty blender to just meld the makeup into the skin. And I'm going to apply our highlight with the blender as well, and give it a little glow. The next thing I'm going to do is fill in my eyebrows, and I love this product for the brows because it stays put, it doesn't smear off, it looks natural, it's extremely blendable, and you can go lighter and darker. And what I do sometimes is after I apply the cream, I put it on with put a little powder on top of it to kind of just set it. But this really doesn't need that. That is a preference if I want my brows to be darker in certain areas, because I usually like the front of my brow a little lighter and the back of my brow a little bit darker. So you can really do your whole face with this makeup line. You don't need to have a million products in your purse. You can have your brows, your cheeks, your lips all in one palette, including your contour and your blush. So now I'm showing you how it's going to look if you bump up the blush just a little bit and bump up the lip. Again, use your beauty blender. I'm adding the same thing I put on my cheeks to my lips just to show you that you can add a little more color to this, or you can go super natural. And then I'm lining my lips with our multitasker brush with the same exact color to show you that you can go from super natural to adding a little color to your life. The next thing I am going to do is I'm deepening my contour. For you ladies who like a deeper contour, you can definitely do that with this. Always blend up. Again, I like to emphasize that. Do not blend downwards. We want to always lift up. And yeah, you can get really, really creative with this makeup and customize how you like your makeup. Again, I'm blending with the beauty blender here. This is like my best friend, this sponge. Just, I love it. It is life. You should all have one. The next way we're gonna put it on is the hack way, cheetah hack. And I love this. This is great for when you're getting ready in the morning and you don't have a lot of time. Love this, love this, love this. It's super fast. Okay, here we go. So for this, we're gonna use our fingers and we're gonna put our contour in these little dots all around our faces like a cheetah, okay? And then you're going to also put it on your nose if you like, and your jawline. Then you're gonna take your finger and you're gonna put it in your highlight colors all around your face. Same motion, like little dots, like a cheetah. That's why we call it the cheetah hat. And you can put your brightening color where you want it. I like to put on my nose, on my above my jawline, underneath the contour, and in the inners of my eyes. That's the blush that I'm putting on right there. And there I go, the inners of the eyes. And now you blend it out. I like to start with the contour, the darkest product first, and blend that out really quickly. Go into the hairline, do the same thing. This blends really fast. This is for early morning. I need to get ready quick. I don't have time for a million layers type of makeup, and it looks natural. Then you're going to take the brush and go over the highlight areas and blend that out really, really fast, and your T-zone. Okay? Then you're going to take your finger, or you could use your brush and blend under the eye. I like to use my fingers when it comes to the eye area. I just love that. That's how I like to use my product. I'm going to put a little lip on. That's a nude color. And you're good to go. You can always add a little blush and boost this up. So this last look is the cheetah hack. I do like it for morning, quick. You gotta go to work, you're dropping the kids off to school and you want to put something on. And the cool thing about this is this was like less than 5 minutes. You just dot where you want your contour, where you want your highlight. I put just a splotch under the eyes, a finger and a finger, and then I blend. I put one pinch of blush on the cheek. And say if you just wanted to bump it up a notch and you have the time, you could. But say if you wanted to bump it up a notch and it's morning and you feel like, this is too pale, I need something extra, you can always add a little bit of bronzer. Okay, I'm just gonna tap it and I'm just gonna blend that in real softly. And oh my God, I love that. Like just a hint of color sometimes does such wonders for the face. Look. Oh, hello. Who are you? Who are you, darling? And I'm gonna take that into the hairline and blend that out. I see a little bit of the contour there still. There we go. Take some of that. I'm gonna show you how to get a fuller coverage with this, and I'm gonna tap both of these. You don't have to do this. One color might be perfect for you, but this is what I like to do. You can even do this with one color. And you're gonna stipple. You're gonna stipple on areas you want fuller coverage. For instance, my nose always gets red, so we're gonna stipple that baby. And the reason why you don't wanna do this is because you're gonna be putting it on and taking it off if you do that. Okay, I'm gonna do to this side, same thing on that darkness. I always have a little darkness under my eye area, right at this line here, and I'm gonna just blend that, and I'm gonna stipple it, and it gives me the coverage that I want. So though, you know, this can go great for quick, there are so many different techniques you can use. I get redness around the nose, so I'm going to stipple around my nose area, because my nose stays getting red and I can't stand that. To me, that makes a world of a difference. Let's do the whole T-zone while we're at it. And this is gonna give you a nice, beautiful coverage. Remember not to do this because then you're just putting it on and taking it off. This is gonna keep your makeup in place, and a little bit goes a long way. What I'm gonna do is add a little more blush. I already put bronzer on. Let's see. Yeah, it's still some on the blush brush. Let's put a little more bronzer. A little more bronzer. I'll never have enough bronzer. I just love bronzer. Just make me a bronze goddess, please. Give me bronze goddess. Another thing, these are so versatile that you could line your lips. Here we go. And boom, we're done with that. So it's really, really versatile. And that's one of the things I love, that it looks like skin. And say if you're someone who likes powder, this tile right here is a powder. So what I could do easily, and this is the brush that I like to use for our powder here, because I don't like to powder my whole face, I just powder in certain areas. Okay, I'm gonna go underneath my eye, and I always recommend this powder because for some of us, just setting certain areas, like leaving the T-zone a little powder and leaving the cheeks dewy, it just does something. I'm gonna put some on my lids, on the sides, my nose, my T-zone. Just a little extra stuff I want to show you. Also, as far as our eyeshadows, they're extremely blendable. Okay, I'm gonna grab, I'm just gonna put it into this crease area, and I'm stippling, and then I'm gonna blend the edges. And that just gives you life. Same thing with this eye. I'm gonna stipple in this little area right here, give a little wiggle, and then blend out the edges. Right? Then with this end, I'm gonna grab the darker color, and I'm just gonna shadow into the edge here, right? Just to give me a little bit of a lift. Nothing crazy. See that? You don't need to do a ton of makeup to look gorge. Okay? This side, same thing. Now I am waiting on some more shadows to come in so I can show you guys more possibilities of what you can do with this makeup. But I gotta say, I'm loving the blendability, the easiness, the convenience, and how gorgeous the skin looks, and how gorgeous the eyeshadow blends. I love how versatile the lips are. Guys, absolutely love the makeup. And you will find ways to apply it that best suit you. And if you have tried this makeup and you have different techniques, put it in the comments. I love to hear feedback, but I know these 2 techniques are going to help you tremendously. The whole goal of this makeup was to minimize the amount of layers you need, but some people prefer full coverage, so I showed you a way to put it on nice and sheer, a way to put it on in 5 minutes, and a way to put it on in full coverage. And I really hope it helps you guys. I'm gonna end it there. God bless, and be good to each other always. If you want a color match for this, the link is down below to get color match, so I can help you select the perfect color for you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Talk to you soon. Bye.